Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how smartphones are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The journey of a new smartphone begins as raw materials are precisely guided down the automated conveyor system for assembly. The aluminum frames are meticulously scanned by advanced blue laser systems, detecting microscopic imperfections to ensure unparalleled quality. The automated retrieval system has reduced our error rate significantly.
And the predictive analytics ensure we never run out of microchips.
The factory utilizes advanced robotics for precision placement, ensuring every microchip is perfectly aligned as the conveyor accelerates.
Here in the fabrication room, precision is paramount. Our engineers oversee the fully automated process.
This data point here indicates a minor anomaly on the last run.
Zoom in, let's cross-reference the macro visual. Here in the assembly zone, advanced robotics works seamlessly with our skilled technicians.
The assembly line requires absolute precision. Here, the camera modules are carefully integrated into the chassis.
Monitor the thermal calibration on the next sequence.
The projection shows green across all 20 points. We are cleared for acceleration.
Look at the yield rate projection here. We're exceeding targets by 12%.
That's better than expected for the first run.
As the technician oversees the diagnostics, the robotic arm applies a precise amount of adhesive, instantly cured by focused UV light.
Here at the new facility, our advanced robotics ensure precision alignment on every device before final inspection.
Here at the facility, our diverse team oversees the delicate microchip placement, ensuring unparalleled quality control.
This highly sensitive acoustic chamber ensures flawless speaker performance, essential for our flagship models. The fully automated assembly line ensures every component is placed with absolute precision before moving to the final packaging stage.
In this state-of-the-art facility, Precision Robotics handle the delicate final stages of assembly, ensuring every...
The fusion of human oversight and machine precision allows us to achieve previously impossible tolerances in manufacturing.
The synergy between our diverse team and the automated assembly line is the key to achieving this level of miniaturization. Utilizing a sophisticated network of AGVs and robotic arms, the factory operates with seamless efficiency 24 hours a day.
From intricate assembly to final shipment, this automated process ensures unparalleled quality control at every stage.
Every smartphone is checked before shipping. In this state-of-the-art facility, Precision Robotics handle the intricate assembly, while our skilled technicians ensure every day these state-of-the-art electric trucks leave the factory, carrying the latest technology to markets worldwide.
And that's how smartphones are made, from start to finish.